how to do exponents in C. C has no built-in operator for exponentiation, so we will have to use the library function. Said function is in math.h, so we will #include math.h. We will also want to print our answers, so #include stdio.h. The function for exponentiation is the POW function that returns doubles. We will do double ants equals POW of 2 and 3. What this does, it calculates 2 to the power of 3. Next, we'll printf ants. Printf, double quotes, %f for doubles, \n, then we'll printf ants. If we run the code, you'll see it gives us 8 as a double. If you strictly want an integer, you can change the ants line to be an int, then also cast the output of POW to be an integer. Finally, you would change the %f to be a %d. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.